Hello there, Dustin the RV Guide here. We are checking out a 2024 Salem 165VIEW, which is the smallest entry into their view lineup. Nice little couples coach, little hidden room in there, kind of following the lineup itself. Tons of windows and really getting the line into a manageable price range for people. So let's go through this thing and check it out. So in lieu of a pass-through storage, you're going to be able to get a outdoor griddle in the front. It's not under the awning, but it's pretty close to it, so you do get a little cook space here. In the front of it, we're going to have a power tongue jack. It's going to have a 20-pound LP tank on there. And what's new to the series is this really nice molded fiberglass front cap with a huge automotive window in the front here, which is a really nice addition. You got a solar plug on the side for an auxiliary solar port and manual stabilizers on this one. Outdoor shower, 110 power, and then you got a freshwater fill on the door side here. Awning, power awnings, probably about 16 foot or so, something like that. Flip up steps on this one. And towards the back here, you're gonna have a camera prep, a ladder prep, and then your tankless hot water heater from Suburban. Furnace exhaust is on the rear here, as well as a spare tire standard. Cable jack's going to be towards the back, 30 amp connection on this one with a black tank flush equipped. So they switched out to cable driven slides on their slide outs, which is welcome in my eyes. Nice windows in the slide out too. That's kind of the name of the game with the View series, if you've been following along here. So there's your outdoor storage in this one. Decent space. It goes back behind the door there. And they're all magnetic door catches on this too. There's going to be our sewer exit. So pretty simple. You do have two separate tanks on this one, so you're going to have a second exit on the other side of the slide out down there. Low point drains right on this side too. Let's get on inside this thing. So walking in, we're gonna have a rear kitchen kind of set up. Our entertainment center is gonna be right on the front of that slide out, across from a couple of recliners and a jackknife sofa, so you can get a little bit of extra sleeping if you need it. They both recline out, and they got these nice little swivel tables here. The kitchen, I think they knocked out of the park, to be honest with you. Fridge is really nice, huge, plenty of space. You can actually, it's double hinged, so you can open it from both sides. So if you're sitting outside, you could just flip it open from the other side, grab a drink, grab a beer out of there or something like that. 3-burner cooktop on this one from Furion, and that's right on top of your Greystone convection oven, which is kind of cool to see. Furnace block right underneath there, and then right next to the fridge here, we're going to have our solar controller, because we're going to have a solar panel right up on the roof. We also have our tank monitoring panel, awning control, slide control, all that good stuff here. Nice little storage nook right above there in the kitchen. I kind of like how they did that. And then underneath the sink is going to be a decent amount of storage here. Now, onto the slide out and kind of the claim to fame here. You're going to have a little bit of pantry storage underneath. And then a really nice kind of entertainment area. So you got a TV mount right here, cable out, and some power. And a decent amount of hidey holes right underneath there. Again, that's right across from the seating here. And where it really shines, let me just open that pantry right up, and you got your hidden office area, bunk room. So how it works is we got a TV mount area right here if they wanted to put like a gaming system or something like that. Right now, of course, I got my office chair in there. It does double as a desk area. So right over here is a bunk right now. It's set up, well, it's not set up as a bunk, but I can set it up as a double over double bunk setup. They both get their own windows, USB ports, all that good stuff. Or if you don't have the extra fam going with you, you got yourself an office and a small frame camper. Let's keep going. So walk through bathroom in this one. We're going to have our shower stall right here. They added a little LED light, so you get a nice bright bathroom here. Skylight right above there. We do have a vent fan as well. And then on the other side, we're going to have our commode and then a little sink area right next to that. That'll open up for a little bit of storage, and the medicine cabinet does too. And of course you get a window into the bathroom because it's all about the view. So they do their master a little bit differently. So it's set up with 2 twins right now. So if you needed a different sort of sleeping arrangement, might be one to look into. A couple drawers for storage. Now remember, underneath that we have our outdoor kitchen, and underneath there is our outdoor storage. And then we're just surrounded by windows in the bedroom here. So I don't know where you plan on camping, but if you got a view, you can park right up next to it, move your truck, and you're good to go. Decent amount of storage on both ends here. So you got a little storage nook and then a cabinet towards the side. I love this front window here. And that's about the tour of the new view here. If it's something that you're interested in, you know where to find one. Happy to help. Shoot me an email. And if you have any comments about it that you want the reps to hear about, definitely let us know. Happy to pass the word along. Make sure you subscribe for more walkthrough content like this, and we'll see you next time.